Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a very cool little Euro cylinder. This is a pump lock. It's made by JPM, it's a JPM 405, and says so on the lock body as well. And it works just like a tubular lock, really. You've got these little fingers all the way around the key. This big fin here is for tensioning, and you see these little fingers all different heights. So instead of a tubular lock where the pins are sort of exposed radially with a central core, the key in itself makes a central core and pushes down on the pins more from the inside than the outside, if that makes sense. The big fin is for tensioning, so that goes in at the bottom, pushes down, you feel spring pressure from the pins, push in and turn, and it operates really well. I don't see many of these about. The French seem to like this pump lock design. I've seen a few French pump lock designs, but also a few Japanese and a few Chinese ones, mostly Chinese ones, I think. But yeah, very, very cool. This lock does have a little secret though. If you try to tension it, let's say using a turning tool like this, of course you can't, because you're going to be turning this protective face. So you need to get a tool which can reach below that, which is why the key has a cutout which aligns with that faceplate. So and you can use something like this, which will reach in and over like that and allow you to tension without this faceplate getting in the way. Now, if you look down that keyway, I don't know whether you can tell, it's a little silver, let's see if I can get the light in there a bit better for you. There's a little silver pin, yes, you can see it. Just here, look. This is actually a check pin, and it has to be pressed down to allow the core to be tensioned. Another thing I found is if you just tension the core, this first pin here, it will not set. You need to gently push it down a little bit and then turn, and then it'll work as normal. I don't know why, I don't know what's going on. Maybe one of these is serrated, that first pin there is serrated, and therefore if you turn into it, it sort of locks that pin up. That's my guess. Can't really gut this, so I don't think we can find out, but nevertheless I'll be using this turning tool, and what I'll need to do is just gently get on top of that pin and push down, but first is to gently push on that first pin, then push down, turn, and then we've locked it into it being tensioned, and then we can pick it, hopefully a full 360. So let me throw this in a vise and I'll see you in a second. So we're in the vise, and I've turned the lock away slightly and put some autofocus on, because it's going to be very hard to sort of pick this and not get my hands all in the way and the lock blurring all the time. So let's just get the key, have a look at that bitting. Really interesting little pump lock here. Turn that and we should have a full 360. So we're going to pick it a position, and then I might speed up the video to pick the rest of the positions if I can. So we do have that sort of check pin on the inside, which means we have to do a very strange jiggle where we press that first pin in slightly on the left position and tension, and then we go around the lock. We're going to just press these pins. They don't feel like they have any pulse gates. So had a binder here, binder in this position now, click, and then binder at the top position. Awkward to tension it, I have to admit. And we're just going to go around. Oh, I think, yes. So we picked it, and I'll just turn it for you so you can see. Try and keep it in the same position. And if I use my turner, I should be able to just turn it a position. You should hear all the pins click in. There we go. And then I can keep my tension on now, and we can go around again. So again, I'll just turn it this way a little bit for you. Keep my tension on and see what I can pick. Right, here we go. click, click, nothing, binding, nothing, nothing there. This top pin's binding now, and we've got another position there. We're just going to keep going round. And we are free all the way around. So I should be able to put this in and turn the whole lock around. So we did a full 360. Very interesting little lock. I've got no way to disassemble this, which is probably for the best because I'll probably destroy it. But super, super little cool JPM 405. If you like this lock and you like this video, please give it a like. It really helps my channel out. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, then do drop that subscribe. It really, really does help again. And if you have any comments about this lock, then please drop them below because So there you go. A really fun little lock, this JPM 405. Just super good fun. Love these little pump locks. There weren't any false gates that I could tell. It was all pretty simple once you figure out how to tension this. Yeah, really, really nice. If you like this video or this lock, then please drop a like. It really helps me out. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, of course, smash that subscribe button. If you have any comments about this or any other ones of my videos, then please do drop some comments below as well, because I read them all and reply to as many as I can. And of course, thank you, and I'll see you all next time.